Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make aloo baigan or potato and eggplant curry. So let's get started.
I've got here 4 small eggplants which I have cut into 5 cm pieces and soaked it in some salted water. You can cut them into any shape or size you like. This is the variety of eggplant I'm using, but you can use any variety of your choice. Some hot water. 4 medium-sized potatoes which I have cut into small chunks and soaked it in some plain water. 1 medium onion thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm using homemade curry powder. If you want to know how to make curry powder, I'll put a link below. Half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 4 tablespoons of oil. 2 sprigs of roughly chopped curry leaves. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And salt to taste. Take a pot, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add chopped onions and curry leaves, give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions get a light brown color. While waiting for the onions to brown, drain the water from the eggplants and the potatoes and put it aside. When the onions get a light brown color, add the potatoes and eggplants, chili powder, turmeric, curry powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Give it a good mix and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add about 3 to 4 cups of hot water. The amount of water will depend on the amount of soorwa or gravy you want. Mix it well, put a lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix, put the lid back on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape, lower the heat and cook it for 25 to 30 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked, stirring it twice during cooking. After 25 minutes, give it a mix and check to see if the potatoes are cooked. If the potatoes are a little bit hard, give it extra 5 minutes and check it again. And you can also taste your salt as well. You can always add salt according to your taste. My curry is ready. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My potato and eggplant curry is ready, or Aloo Baigan Soorwa is ready. You can serve it with roti or rice. Enjoy.
If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.